Amy Edmondson is a professor from Harvard Business School, and she's a professor in leadership and management. So she did several studies for her PhD in the healthcare sector. And what she was looking for is how do high performing teams perform? And in terms of errors, how many errors do high performing teams have compared to low performing teams? And her hypothesis was that stronger teams report less errors. She believed that if you've got a stronger team, there'll be less errors reported. And what she found actually debunked that hypothesis. What she found was that the stronger teams reported more errors. And what's interesting about that is it doesn't say that they made more errors. It says more errors were reported. And that's a significant thing to think about. And what she found was that these teams actually had greater psychological safety, which is a reason why people felt safe enough to report more errors and their mistakes. They weren't trying to cover them up. They weren't trying to blame shift. And what she describes as psychological safety is a definition where it says, what is the idea? The belief that it's safe to take interpersonal risks without fear of being punished, humiliated, or judged because you've expressed ideas, questions, concerns, or mistakes. And what it's not, and sometimes people confuse this, it's not about being nice all the time and everyone getting along and always being happy. There can be conflict and tension so long as people feel safe to take the interpersonal risks and safe to express themselves honestly and authentically.